Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the circuit operation of single phase full wave controlled rectifier, fully controlled bridge configuration, and the load is RE load, right? RE load is nothing but the battery charging circuit. We have already discussed this type of load in the center tapped transformer configuration. Okay, so let us discuss what is the change. Okay. So here it is the circuit diagram. We are using the four switches, right? Vs is the supply voltage and the load is Re. Okay. So voltage across load is V0, current flowing through the load is I0. Okay. So next, supply voltage Vs, it is having a positive value as well as a negative value. Okay. 0 to pi Vs is positive, pi to 2 pi Vs is negative. Okay. And in the load we are having the EMF, right? That is the battery magnitude. Okay. EMF of the battery. So here it is a Vs we are having, and here it is the EMF. Okay. So during omega t is equal to 0 to theta, right? During omega t is equal to 0 to theta. Okay. Vs is less than E, right? For the interval Vs less than E, right? Vs less than E. Okay. Our thyristors, respective thyristors will be in the reverse blocking mode, right? Those will be in the reverse bias mode. Okay. So that is for omega t is equal to 0 to theta, right? For 0 to theta, yes, Vs is less than E. If supply voltage is less than E, okay, from 0 to theta, right? So we can write it as a for omega t is equal to 0 to theta, 0 to theta, yes, Vs is less than E, right? Vs is less than E. So thyristor T1, T2, yes, these two thyristors will be in the forward blocking mode, right? Sorry, reverse blocking mode. Those two will be in the reverse blocking mode, right? Because Vs is less than E. Okay. Next, from theta to pi plus alpha, sorry, theta to alpha, from omega t is equal to theta to alpha, during theta to alpha, yes, what will happen from theta to alpha? Yes, Vs is greater than E. Yes, we can write it as a Vs greater than E. If Vs is greater than E, our thyristors T1, T2 will be in the forward blocking mode, right? Vs greater than E means what? Thyristor anode voltage will be greater than the cathode voltage, right? Because when circuit is at the rest position, then the voltage that will be appearing at V0 is nothing but the E. Okay. So therefore T1, T2 will be in the forward blocking mode. Okay. And after alpha, what will happen? Yes, thyristor T1, T2 will be in the conduction mode. So here T1, T2 will be in the conduction mode. The conduction will be, yes, from alpha to till the instant at which Vs is greater than E, right? If you check after pi minus theta, Vs is less than E. Okay. So if Vs is less than E, then what will happen? Yes, thyristor T1, T2 will be in the, again, switches from forward conduction to the reverse blocking, forward conduction to the reverse blocking. Are you getting the point? Okay. So from 0 to theta, the mode of operation of thyristor T1, T2, it is in the reverse blocking mode, 0 to theta, theta to alpha, forward blocking mode, alpha to pi minus theta, forward conduction mode, pi minus theta to pi, yes, it is the reverse blocking mode. Are you getting the point? Okay. And similarly for the second negative half cycle, okay, so when supply is negative, yes, we are having the thyristor T3, T4, okay, will be in the forward bias mode. But yes, from pi to pi plus theta means during this interval, okay, Vs is less than E, right? Vs is less than minus E. Okay. So due to that, from pi to pi plus theta, our thyristors T3, T4 will be in the reverse blocking mode. Okay. Next, pi plus theta to pi plus theta to pi plus alpha, from pi plus theta to pi plus alpha, thyristor T3, T4 will be in the forward blocking mode. Pi plus alpha till 2 pi minus theta, pi plus alpha till 2 pi minus theta, yes, magnitude of Vs is greater than magnitude of E. Okay. So thyristor T3, T4 will be in the forward conduction mode. Okay. And from 2 pi minus theta to 2 pi, T3, T4 will be in the, again, in the reverse blocking mode. Okay. So here we will summarize it. How will be the modes of operations of the thyristors T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay. So if you check, I am writing it as a omega t, right? Next, and thyristors, right? So if you check, from omega t is equal to 0 to theta, 0 to theta, okay, for 0 to theta, yes, Vs is less than E. Okay. So thyristor T1 T2 will be in the reverse blocking mode, right? Theta to pi plus alpha, theta to pi plus alpha, yes. T1 T2 will be in the, yes, forward blocking mode. From pi plus alpha to pi minus theta, thyristors T1 T2 will be in the forward conduction mode, right? Next, from pi minus theta to pi, pi minus theta to pi, yes, thyristors T1 T2, yes, will be in the again reverse blocking mode because Vs is less than E, right? Similarly we can write for thyristor T3 T4, okay, from pi to pi plus theta, thyristor T3 T4, yes, pi to pi plus theta, T3 T4 will be in the reverse blocking mode, right? Next, pi plus theta to pi plus theta to pi plus alpha, pi plus theta to pi plus alpha, yes, thyristor T3 T4 will be in the forward blocking mode, okay. Next, from pi plus alpha to, yes, pi plus alpha to 2 pi minus theta, this instant is 2 pi minus theta, okay. So 2 pi minus theta, during this instant T3 T4 will be in the forward conduction mode. And last, from 2 pi minus theta to 2 pi, 2 pi minus theta to 2 pi, yes, the T3 T4 will be in the reverse blocking mode. Are you getting the point? Okay, so from this now we are going to discuss the circuit operation, okay, circuit operation. So from omega t is equal to 0 to alpha, from omega t is equal to 0 to alpha, yes, in the 0 to alpha again we are having the two intervals, 0 to theta, theta to alpha, okay. So for omega t is equal to 0 to alpha, yes, 0 to alpha means we are not applied the gate signal to thyristor, okay. So here all the four thyristors will be in the off state, load is RE load, right? Supply here we are having, supply voltage is positive, okay. So what is the V0 now? If all the four thyristors will be in the off state, okay, T1 T2 will be in the reverse blocking mode, okay. So what is the V0? We can write it as a V0 is equal to E, okay. What is the I0? If you check I0 is equal to 0 ampere, okay. So 0 to alpha, V0 is equal to E and I0 is equal to 0, okay. Next, from alpha to pi minus theta, for omega t is equal to alpha to pi minus theta, alpha to pi minus theta, yes, what will happen? These two thyristors will be in the on state now, okay. So current will be flowing from Vs T1 load T2 and again back to the Vs, right? Vs T1 load T2 and again back to the Vs. So what is the V0? Yes, V0 will be same as that of the supply voltage, right? And what is the I0? Yes, we can write I0 is equal to Vs minus E by R, okay. I0 is equal to Vs minus E divided by R, okay. So Vs minus E by R, so I0 here and here it is a V0. This will continue till pi minus theta. From pi minus theta to pi, what will happen? From omega t is equal to pi minus theta to pi, omega t is equal to pi minus theta till pi, pi minus theta to pi. So during this interval if you check, yes, pi minus theta to pi, E Vs is less than E, okay. So again our thyristors will be in the off state only, okay. So thyristors are in the off state, so what is the V0? V0 is equal to E only, and what is I0? I0 is equal to 0, okay. So pi minus theta to pi, if you check, V0 is equal to E, I0 is equal to 0. Are you getting the point? Okay. Next, from pi to pi plus alpha, for omega t is equal to pi plus alpha, pi to pi plus alpha. Pi to pi plus alpha. Yes, during this interval, yes, supply voltage is reversed. Okay, so here it is a minus and here it is a plus. Okay, during pi to pi plus alpha, yes, we have not applied the gate signal to T3 T4. Okay, and T1 T2 they are already in the reverse bias mode. Okay, so what is the output voltage? Yes, if you check, current will not flow from source towards the load. Yes, so output voltage V0 is equal to E only. V0 is equal to E. And what is I0? I0 is equal to 0. Okay, so pi to pi plus alpha, V0 is E, I0 is 0. Okay, next from pi plus alpha to 2 pi minus theta. From pi plus alpha to 2 pi minus theta. From pi omega t is equal to pi plus alpha to 2 pi minus theta, right? So from pi plus alpha to 2 pi minus theta, T3 T4 will be in the on state. Current will be flowing from Vs, T3 load, T4 and again back to the Vs. Okay, what is the V0? V0 will be supply voltage, right? It is a positive, right? I0 is equal to, yes, Vs minus E divided by R. You can apply KVL, you will be getting this expression. I0, okay, is equal to Vs minus E by R. So from pi plus alpha to 2 pi minus theta, yes, we are having this expression. Okay, next from 2 pi minus theta to 2 pi, what will happen? From 2 pi minus theta to 2 pi, 2 pi minus theta to 2 pi, right? So during this interval, that is from 2 pi minus theta to 2 pi, yes, during this interval, if you check, Vs is less than E. Okay, so our thyristors T3 T4 will be in the blocking mode or the reverse blocking mode. Okay, so current will not flow. Okay, so I0 is 0. What is V0? V0 is equal to E. Okay, so 2 pi minus theta to 2 pi, right? So I0 is 0, V0 is equal to E. Okay, and after the 2 pi, the same cycle goes on repeating. Okay, so if you check the circuit operation, thyristor T1 T2 will be in the on state from alpha to pi minus theta only, and thyristor T3 T4 will be in the on state from pi plus alpha to 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so this instant is 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta. Are you getting the point? Okay, next, what is the PIV rating of thyristor? Okay, if you check, yes, when T3 T4 will be in the on state, when T3 T4 will be in the on state, at that time the voltage that will be appearing across the thyristor T1 is equal to Vs, right? But that will be the reverse voltage. Okay, similarly, voltage that will be appearing across T2, it will be a reverse voltage, that is a minus Vs. Okay, so what is the PIV rating? PIV rating is a V max, right? So please be careful, PIV rating is a V max. Okay, so this is about the circuit operation of RE load. In the next video, we are going to discuss the expressions of this circuit. Thank you.